4-second traffic review. Stefan here. Welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna do a review of 4-second traffic. I'm gonna do a small demo of the member area, which is gonna be very quick. It's very simple process, and go over the bonus that I'm offering when you use my link in the description below. So what is 4-second traffic in a nutshell? It's pretty much a method, like a ninja method, to get you top rated on Google search and get your video rated on Google search, but you do not need to create any video. So let's go over my bonus first and see what you can get when you use my link in the description below. My bonus will expire on Monday the 5th at midnight. So when the timer is at 0, unfortunately my bonus won't be available anymore. So the first bonus that I'm offering, they're all gonna be from Jono Armstrong. The first one is going to be his 2020 products. So all of Jono's products will be able to access when you use my link below in the description. Bonus number 2 is going to be a great method to make money online. So you're going to use 4-second traffic to bring traffic to your offers, and that's going to show you what to pretty much use to make money online. Bonus number 3 is you get your list building using Bing. So building a list is very important when you want to make money online. So we're going to show you how to do that using Bing. And bonus number 4 is Atomic DFY, which is another product by Jono Armstrong as well. And of course, you're going to have with that all the vendor bonus that will be included into the offer. So once you use my link and you get to my page, you click any of those buttons that you see here on my page, you will be bringing up to the sales page of 4-second traffic. And it's a pretty extensive sales page, so we're going to go over it very shortly, and I'll let you do that on your own time. It's basically a top secret formula for getting page 1 ranking and tons of free buyer traffic directly from Google without any content creation or technical skill needed. It's a very unique method. There is no camera needed, no language barrier. Here you have a small video that explains. This guy is very energetic and a little bit crazy, but his traffic works very well actually. He did it himself, and there is proof on the sales page of him doing it and making money. The screenshot of what he was making using his method. So like you see, the page is pretty lengthy. You have testimonial as well on the page, testimonial video that are coming here. And it goes over what you can do with the page. You can use that for any offers, basically affiliate marketing, e-com store owner, selling services, CPA. I mean, you name it, you can use it for this offer. So how much is 4-second traffic? The front end offer is $12.95, but as of right now they do flash sales for $8.95, I believe. So you save another 30% off. This product is a relaunch. They launched it first in September of last year. The price went up to, I believe, $97. I know they relaunch again and they do a great offer again on it. So if you want to grab it for $12.95, it's pretty much very cheap. There's a few upsells. Upsell number 1 is going to be the Pro version, which is 37 upfront, 27 downsells. On that, you will find out how they tap into 20 times more traffic into the same amount of time. It takes you about 10 minutes to do it. So upsell 1 is to get 20 times more traffic. Upsell 2 is if you want to do a local takeover. That's $67 upfront and then 37 downsell. They're going to show you how you can sell that method to local businesses to rank their product or their page or their site on first page of Google. And you can charge them easily $500 a month for that, because usually those local businesses, they pay for SEO work and other marketers to promote their business on Google, and they pay between $2,000 to $5,000 a month just to do that. So you can easily sell the product for the system for $500 a month and do it for them in 10 minutes a day, basically. So upsell number 3 is the Done For You Super Funnel, which is 97 upfront, 47 downsells. And with that, you will be able to import a done-for-you super funnel personally made by them to rank on Google and to build your list and earn commission free every day. Upsell number 4 is the license right of 4-second traffic. So it's 97 upfront, 47 downsell. For that, you can pretty much sell the same system and earn 100% commissions. And upsell number 5, it's income overhaul. It's 147 upfront and 97 downsell. And with that, you have 100% license to all of the past products that they did. So you have Superstar Cash Rain, Affiliate Magician, Siphons, Dark Knight Commission, Kingdom Builder, and some other also high ticket traffic method as well. So let's go into the member area. This is the member area. It's pretty simple. You have first, you have in the first section, you have a welcome to 4-second traffic, where you be pretty much welcome on what it does. Then you have how to make 300,000 a month. You can watch that video as well. You have intro by the partner Dan as well, welcoming you. And then the main of the traffic area, the main of the course is in the main train. So there is a few videos that you can is going to show you how what it does, what it is made of. It's pretty simple. It's very simple. It's a hack basically. It's a ninja trick that he found out how to rank the video on Google without you needed to do any video and putting yourself on camera. And then you have a few upgrades, and then you're gonna have some of the vendor bonus that you can access here as well. So this is my review of 4-second traffic. It's a very good system. If you want to grab it, it's not that much. And the link that you can use is down in the description. You can use my link so you can access all of my bonus. Again, my bonus will expire on Monday midnight, so in about 2 days, give or take. And you can check if you want to get the upsells or not. That's it for this review. It was a very quick review because it's a little trick that he came up with, and that works very well for him. He's been doing that for almost a year now. So thank you for watching the review. If you want to like and subscribe to the channel, we would appreciate that. And you have a great day. Bye bye.